Hello tiny twinkles! Today in this video we'll be learning how to write the letter F. F for fish. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's learn the alphabet F using the clay. First is a standing line. Then we place a sleeping line at the top and one more sleeping line in the center. So F is formed. Now we will use these matchsticks to form a letter F. We'll take the reference of the clay and start forming the letter F. First it starts with a standing line and a sleeping line at the top and one more sleeping line at the center. So the letter F is formed. Do you like it? Now let's start with tracing. Grab your pen or pencil and start scribbling with me. So first we'll start with the standing line and a sleeping line at the top, sleeping line at the middle. Done! Isn't it easy? Let's trace again. One more time. Standing line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. Perfect! Now we'll trace the letter F using a marker. So, first we'll start with the standing line. Let's trace a standing line and then a sleeping line at the top and sleeping line at the middle. Perfect. So what is F for? F for fish. Let's draw the fish. Are you enjoying these videos and writing with me? If so, like it, share and subscribe. Bye for now.